electric potential and types of electric potential. Then after we all derived the equation of electric potential by a charged particle shifted or unit positive charged particle to shift against the field. And what is the equation for the electric potential means? From the definition, V is equal to W by Q naught or V is equal to W by Q. And another also we are derived, that is important question, that is V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. These topics we are studied in the last class. And next, one more also I am explained. Again I am repeating that when a charge is shifted against the field, the potential is taken positively. If charged particle is shifted towards the field, means away from the field or away from the charge, then the electric potential is taken negatively. Means this is the charge to shift against the field, potential is positive. If the charge is shift in this direction, potential is negative. Okay. Today we are discussing about the relation between E bar and V. What is E bar? E bar is the intensity of electric field. It is a vector. That's why I mentioned E bar. And what is a V? V is a electric potential. Now today we are discussing about the relation between intensity of electric field E bar and electric potential V. Between E bar and V, we have three equations. We have three equations between E comma V. What are the three equations? One equation is in the vector form. Another equation is in a scalar form. And another equation in the form of integral form. And the fourth one, it is in the form of a differential form. Means vector relation is there between E comma V, scalar relation is there between E comma V, and integral relation is there, and finally differential relation is there. Now first, we want to discuss about the vector relation. This is a charge. This is the influential field around it. Here we take unit positive charge at infinity distance. Now we are shifted against the field up to a distance r. Nothing but electric potential. Okay. What is the equation for electric potential from the definition? V is equal to W by Q naught. And what is the equation for the intensity of electric field? As per the definition, E bar is equal to F bar by Q naught. Now, work done on Q naught charge to shift against the field. How we can write? W is equal to minus F bar dot R bar. You know the equation for the work. Work is force into displacement. Negative sign indicates opposite. Work is a scalar, but force and displacement is a vector, and the dot product is taken. Okay. W is equal to minus F bar dot R bar. What is F bar from this equation? You take in this side becomes F bar is equal to Q naught E bar dot R bar. You take Q naught here, W by Q naught. What is the value of W by Q naught? V. So V is equal to minus E bar dot R bar. This is the relation between E comma V, but it is the which form? Vector form. V is equal to minus E bar dot R bar. This is the vector relation between E comma, that's why it is vector form. Okay. Second one, V is equal to, when we remove the dot product, what we can get? Cos theta. But here theta is equal to 180. Why we can 180? The charge electric field is in this direction. the charge is goes in which direction? Both are in which direction? E is in which direction? R is in which direction? So t times 180 cos 180 is how much? -1. So -1 into minus becomes ER. V is equal to ER. This is also a relation, but in the form of which one? Scalar. But here vector compulsory minus dot product is required between E comma R. But here no dot product, just V is equal to ER. This is the relation between E comma V in the scalar form. Next, third one. This is the electric field in this direction. Here unit positive charge is there. Now we are shifting again as the field up to a distance dr. So work done on Q0 charge against the field for a small distance dr is, we know that work is equal to force into displacement, but distance is very small. You know that work is a function of displacement but not force. That's why here W is equal to force into displacement, but here dr is taken. That's why it is dw. Okay, dw is equal to minus f bar dot dr bar. What is the value of f bar from here? Q not E bar that I am taking, and again Q not take here. dw by Q not is how much? dv. So dv is equal to minus E bar dot dr. Total work, but only small distance. The total work from where infinity to R is integral dv is equal to from where infinity to R. So integral dv is how much? V. Integral dv is V is equal to minus integral E bar dot dr bar in the limits of infinity to R. This is the relation between E comma V comma E. Which form it is? Integral form. It is a which one? Integral form. Okay. These are the three relations. One is vector form. This is a scalar form, and it is integral form. Now we want to solve the differential form. Now the fourth one is how much? Differential form. Now let us see how we can solve it. Now fourth one, let us take, this is the direction of electric field. Now here charge is there Q0. We are shift again as the distance up to a distance dr. We know that work is a function of force into displacement, but the displacement is small. That's why work is also small. Now dw is equal to, what is the force? Q0 into dr. Now dw by Q0 is equal to E into minus. Why minus? Again is the field minus E dr. dw by Q0 is how much? dv minus E into dr. So E is equal to minus dv by dr. This is the which relation? This is the differential form. Okay, this is the differential relation between intensity of electric field and potential. So here we can write, you take it is Ex. So what we can write? Minus dv by dx. Okay, if it is y, minus dv by dy. Okay, if it is z direction, minus dv by dz. Okay, now these are the forms. Okay, between E comma V, we have four type of the relations. One is differential relation. Sorry, first one is vector form. Second one is scalar form, and third one is integral form, and fourth one is differential form. These four are important, and depends on the situation. We can use these while solving the equations or also a problems. Okay. These are the forms of relation between E comma V. But one thing is, you must be remember, intensity of electric field is a vector, but potential is a, electric potential is a scalar.